Hey, fantastic fourth graders. Today we're going to be working on lesson 10. The objective of today's lesson is to use place value understanding to round multi-digit numbers to any place value using real world applications. So we have this number 845,001 and we're going to round it to different place values. The thousands place, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. The first thing I did is underlined each place value. So in the thousands place, I have the 5. In the 10,000s place, I have the 4. In the 100,000s place, I have the 8. I'm then going to circle the bossy neighbor next door. I have a 0, a 5, and a 4 as my bossy neighbors. Okay? And although we have the same number, when I round it in different place values, the answer is going to be a little bit different. So for the first one, I have the thousands place of 5, and the bossy neighbor is a 0. The 0 tells it to round down and stay the same. So this answer would be 845,000. Okay. Our 8 and 4 stayed the same because they weren't involved in the rounding. We had our 5 stay the same, and we finished off with zeros. Our answer is that 845,001 rounded to the thousands place is 845,000. Let's move to the next one. It's asking us to round to the nearest 10,000. I underlined the 4. I circled the bossy neighbor, the 5. And the 5 told the 4 to add one more. So our 8 doesn't change. Our 4 turns to a 5. And we finish off with zeros. We get 850,000. Our last one has us rounding to the 100,000s place. I underlined my 8 in the 100,000s. I circled my bossy neighbor, the 4, in the 10,000s place. The 4 tells the 8 to stay the same. So when I round this, my 8 stays the same and I finish off with zeros. I get 800,000 as my answer. Okay. If you don't know how many zeros to put as your placeholders, think about how many spaces are behind that number that's underlined, the place value that you're working in. The 8 was underlined here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values. So I need to show that by drawing my 5 zeros in the number. In groups today, we are going to be working on lesson 10, and that is going to be on page 53. So have that ready for your math groups today. All right, see you soon.